Welcome to Tractor Time. I'm here with Riley Billings. Where are we today, Riley?
We are out in Floresville, Texas, and this is my 1976 Ford 7700.
And what kind of power does this make?
This has a 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel that makes around 96 horsepower.
And where'd you find this beautiful thing?
This tractor is owned by Mr. and Mrs. Beck in Converse, Texas.
So, Riley, what's happening back here?
Well, back here we have our warning lights with blinkers. We have implement lights and a tail light. We've also got 3 remotes. We've got lift arms with a category 2 hitch. And we have our 540 RPM PTO. It's hydraulically activated and live.
So, Riley, what's happening on this side?
Well, we got our injection pump completely rebuilt, and upon it being finished, I was able to go to the diesel shop and actually run it in on a test stand.
So, Riley, what's happening on this side?
On this side, we've got our power steering pump, and I completely resealed it. We also have the turbo. I inspected the turbo to check if there was any oil leakage, and I also checked for in-play on the shafts. I determined that it was able to go back into service.
So, Riley, let's see this thing move.
All right.